Hello, my BL lovers. This is the English explanation and summary for the episode 5 of the series Kiseki Dare to Me. If the video is entertaining enough, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Baizonge was trying to stop Zeroe from leaving, but Zeroe understood his excuses to do the same. Just then, Baizonge slips and falls on Zeroe. A moment later, Airi breaks and enters the house and hugs Zeroe. Baizonge thinks that at the cake shop, Airi was talking about Zeroe and is in love with him. Airi and Zeroe were talking when Baizonge brings food for them. Airi asks Baizonge that have they met before, to which Baizonge reminds him that they have met at the cake shop. Airi blames him for his condition as on his suggestion he bought that cake. When Zeroe asks Baizonge to join them, he says that he needs to study. But as he was jealous of Airi and Zeroe sitting close and talking, he can't concentrate. Airi and Zeroe were busy talking about Chenny and Airi. As Zeroe was trying to wake up drunk Airi, Baizonge comes to help, but just then Chenny enters and picks Airi in his arms. Zeroe asks Chenny that what is Airi and boss to him and tells him to differentiate between love and admiration. To which Chenny asks him if he is putting this question to him or himself and leaves with Airi. Baizonge's doubt got cleared as he realizes that Chenny is the person whom Airi loves and even Chenny adores him back but hasn't realized it. To Baizonge's question of who is Zeroe, Zeroe asks him to pretend at school that they don't know each other and will let him know the truth at the right time. Chenny is worried about Airi and was taking him back home. Airi pretends to be drunk but was just hiding his feelings for him. In school, Zeroe finds a girl proposing to Baizonge, to which Baizonge refuses. The girl was so obsessed that she offers money to Baizonge to date her as she knew that he needed money. Baizonge was furious and even when Zeroe tried to tease him of his popularity, he gets angry of why everyone is trying to test his dignity as he is poor. Zeroe was worried about him. With Zeroe's help, Airi and Chenny finds out about Zangtang. As they were about to catch him, Airi and Chenny had a fight as Airi was about to hurt Zangtang and Chenny wanted him to be alive as per the boss's order. Airi was irritated that how obedient is Chenny to the boss. Baizonge returned home and finds Zeroe sitting there. He had made food for Baizonge. Although Zeroe was exhausted, but he was happy to see Baizonge. Due to his exertion, he slept and fell in Baizonge's arms. Baizonge was barely able to control his feelings. Both slept together. In morning, Zeroe in his sleep touched Baizonge and both were embarrassed. Chenny was unintentionally jealous of Airi and Zeroe's closeness. They discussed about Zangtang's business of drugs at school and were not near some clue. At school, the girl whom Baizonge rejected falsely accuses him of hurting her. When the girl's mother and principal were blaming Baizonge for it, Zeroe comes to defend him and introduces himself as Baizonge's cousin. He proved the accusations at Baizonge were wrong. Later, Zeroe apologizes for his action towards Baizonge at home. Baizonge was happy. He hugged Zeroe and invited him for dinner at home that night. And even the food was to be cooked by Zeroe. They were having a happy time. So guys, if you liked the video, please do watch for the next episode. That is episode 6. Thank you.